Hey friend, welcome to my channel Tech Solution. Today we'll discuss about how to communicate from virtual to physical, else physical to virtual, vice versa. Well, so here I am into Linux 6 operating system, and this Linux 6 I install over VMware 11. So here I want to ping from here to virtual machine. It means I want to communicate from this Red Hat 6 machine to virtual machine. Well, so first we need to set IP. So let me check whether its IP setup has been done or not. So you need to execute setup and you need to come to network configuration. Here you need to select device configuration, hit enter key. Here you need to select first Ethernet. Okay, so already I have set it. Already I have set. Then this is my IP, so I want to make it off. So you need to execute this command if config and that Ethernet, and then you need to give that IP, then you need to give off and then hit enter. So now it's off. How will come to know it's off or not? Before that you need to execute if of ETH 0 as well. File it exists it's saying. Then here you need to restart the network service. Before restart the network service, we need to set this IP at permanent basis. So how we will set? By vi etc sysconfig network script if cfg eth. Here it's already been available. Early I already been set. Okay. And if here if we give on boot yes, when system will boot again, I mean for next boot, you no need to give manual IP, so automatic it will take this IP. Okay, so let me save. It's already been saved. Then here you restart the network service. So we need to restart the network service. Network restart. After restart, we need to execute if config command, so that we can come to know whether IP is coming or not. See, my IP is coming, right? Okay. Now I want to give the same range IP in virtual machine as well. But before that, make sure in setting you have to change it. The NAT you have to change. I mean the Ethernet setting you need to change it. Then only it will work. See, now my network adapter is saying custom and VNet 0 connection is that. But if you will connect custom VNet 0, usually it will be the NAT always. Okay. So here what you need to do, you need to click on custom and then you need to select here VNet host only. Then only it will work. I mean then only it will communicate from virtual to physical and from physical to virtual, vice versa. So here make sure you need to select VMNet. VMNet means virtual machine net host only. Okay, and make sure this device status to checkpoint, I mean two checkbox would be marked. Make sure and then click on OK. Okay, now come to virtual machine. Here what you need to do, you need to run Control R, I mean sorry window R, then you need to come to ncpa.cpl, hit enter key. Here see I connected my laptop with my hotspot. So this is my Wi-Fi. Okay, forget about this part. Now when you open VM, here 2 or 3 VM, what uh, 2 or 3, uh, I mean most of the time 2 will become, okay, 2 VM will be come, I mean 2 Ethernet will come. So Ethernet 5 and Ethernet 8 would be available here. Okay, so what here you need to do, either this one else this one, you need to make it disable at least one, then only you can go for the proper setting. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to disable the Ethernet 8. So now it's disabled. So by using Ethernet 5, I will communicate from physical to virtual. So however setting I have done from the virtual machine side, as usual the same setting I need to do here from the physical, right? So as I am going to communicate by over the VM Ethernet, so this is my VM Ethernet, where I need to change setting here. So right click here and then go to properties. It's not a rocket science, it's very easy thing, no need to worry about it. Just follow my instruction, follow my steps, so that you never face a single type of challenge. I'm giving that assurance. So now here you need to click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP and IPv4, and then you have to click on Properties button. Here you have to click Use the following IP address radio button. Here you need to give the same range IP address, which range IP address you given in the virtual machine. So in virtual machine I have given 192.168.0.1. Here I am giving the same range 192.168.0.2. Same network IP I am giving here. Okay, and no need to give anything else, just hit tab key and then click on OK button. Now click on OK. I mean close. For verifying, we press Window R. Here type CMD, hit enter key. So here if config, just type it, will come to know whether which IP you given it's set or not. Yes, it's set. Now from here we will try to ping to virtual machine. Virtual machine IP is ping 192.168.0.1 only, right? So now it's pinging from the virtual machine, right? So the same thing we will try from the virtual machine. Ping 192.168.0.1. So here as well it's pinging. Got it? So this is all about communication from virtual machine to physical machine, and from physical machine to virtual machine, vice versa. Okay, so this is all about the perfect step. If you will follow my step, if you will follow my instruction, you will never face a single challenge. Okay, you'll never face a single error. Well, thanks to watching this video, and I'd like to request you please subscribe it, so that I can bring new tech solutions in front of you. Thanks to everyone.